Yes children, let us do one more sum. This sum is from the chapter surface area and volume only, and here we are going to solve the sum from sphere. The question is, the diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. What is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.9 gram per square centimeter? It should be cubic centimeter. Sorry. Let us start with the solution. Whatever is given, we are going to write here. Given diameter of the metallic ball is equal to 4.2 centimeter. So radius R is equal to 4 upon 2 centimeter, which gives us R is equal to 2.1 centimeter. Now we have to find volume first of all. So volume of the ball, since the ball is spherical in shape, so the formula for finding volume of the spherical ball is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now we need to substitute the value of pi as well as r. We see here that r is 2.1, so we will take 22 upon 7 the value of pi, because nothing is given in the question. We are free to take any value, either 22 upon 7 or 3.14 cubic centimeter. Now 4 upon 3, 22 upon 7 into 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1 cubic centimeter. By 7, this can be reduced 0.3 times, and by 3, this can be reduced to 0.1 times. And on multiplying, we get here, this is equal to 38.808 cubic centimeter. Now children, we have got the volume of the ball. Now we have to find density, mass of the ball when density is given. As we know that density is equal to, since density is nothing but mass per unit volume. So if we have to find mass, we need to multiply density and volume. So mass is equal to density multiplied by volume. Here, therefore, mass of 38.808 cubic centimeter will be, density is 8.9 and volume is 38.808 gram. This on multiplication gives us 345.3912 gram, which can be written as 345.39 gram approx. So this gives us mass of the metallic ball.